Hello friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I am Meghna. Festival of Rakhi is round the corner. It provides a very good opportunities to the children, especially the younger ones, to do some craft work. So today it's going to be a very interesting video where I'm going to tell you how you can make beautiful 3D Rakhis at home. So what we are going to do is I have selected some popular cartoons and we will be making Rakhis with those cartoons, and it will be a 3D Rakhi. So let's get started. Okay friends, for this we'll be needing A4 size sheet of paper on which we will be drawing the drawings of various cartoons. I have chosen Doraemon, Shinchan, Chota Beam and Pikachu. So once we have drawn the drawings, we'll be coloring them, and after that we'll be cutting them to make these cutouts. The drawings of these cartoons are easily available on the YouTube. You can refer to those videos, and also you can take out the printout of these cartoons if you want. If you don't want to draw, you can just take out the printout and color them. So for in this video I'll be cutting the Pikachu. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have made this cutout of Pikachu. Now what we are going to do is, we'll be taking a string of ribbon of any color of your choice, and remember we are making a 3D Rakhi, so it has to be a little bit elevated. So you can either use a double-sided tape, or I have taken these sponges. So I'll be pasting the sponge here with the help of glue. Now after applying the glue, I will put it on the ribbon. Now I will apply glue on the back side of Pikachu a little bit in the center, and I will paste it here. Let it dry for a few minutes. Okay guys, so as you can see, our quick and easy to make Rakhis are ready. The best part about them is that they include the favorite cartoons of our children, and they also have a very good 3D effect to them, and they are not only a fun to make but also to wear. Orange Blast wishes you all a very happy Rakhi. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also share the video. For more fun-based activity learning, subscribe Orange Blast. Thank you.